In the rapidly evolving world of personal aviation, two distinct contenders are making headlines: Volonaut's raw and minimalist airbike, and UDX Research's sleek, tech-heavy Airwolf. Each offers a radically different approach to low-altitude flight, catering to different visions of the future. While the Volonaut Airbike channels the spirit of a stripped-down flying machine for solo riders, the UDX Airwolf aims to be a premium, twin-seat eVTOL designed for speed, safety, and urban practicality. The Volonaut Airbike, created by Polish engineer Tomasz Patan, known for the Jetson One, is a futuristic fusion of electric bicycle and drone tech. It's a jet-powered personal flyer with no rotors or wings, relying on directional thrust and lightweight materials. The airbike's design is skeletal, emphasizing minimalism and pilot immersion. Riders straddle the machine in a motorcycle-like position, with no cockpit or protective shielding, only a telemetry-equipped helmet and an open-air thrill. In contrast, the UDX Airwolf is a highly engineered hoverbike developed in Prague by UDX Research. Powered by 4 tilting electric ducted fans and Tesla-supplied battery packs, the Airwolf achieves a top speed of 230 km per hour and accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3 seconds. It offers a flight range of 66 km and is engineered for both utility and safety, featuring redundant propulsion and control systems. Unlike the airbike, the Airwolf is built with a focus on reliability and usability for emergency services and urban commuters. Where the airbike delivers raw, hands-on flight with a riding experience akin to a superbike, the Airwolf presents a more sophisticated, passenger-ready alternative. It includes tandem wings that contribute to lift and stability, a carbon fiber structure capable of supporting a 150 kg payload, and a cockpit that accommodates 2 passengers. While the airbike thrives on its agility and minimal drag, the Airwolf's stability is engineered through aerodynamics and structural balance. Safety also marks a significant point of contrast. The airbike stabilization depends on an intuitive flight computer that adjusts in real time to the pilot's movements. There are no backup systems or protective structures. It's a vehicle for experienced thrill seekers. On the other hand, the Airwolf includes distributed electric propulsion, enabling it to remain airborne even if one fan fails, and uses redundant systems to avoid single points of failure, aligning more with aviation standards. From a regulatory standpoint, the airbike is still operating in a grey area, as it blurs the line between sport and aircraft. In contrast, UDX is preparing the Airwolf for compliance with both European and US flight regulations. Prospective Airwolf pilots will require an ultralight pilot permit in Europe or a sport pilot certificate in the US, making it more likely to be integrated into future air mobility systems. As personal flight begins to move from concept to reality, the Volonaut Airbike and UDX Airwolf represent 2 ends of the spectrum: raw versus refined, solo versus tandem, thrill versus practicality. Whether you dream of carving the air with minimalist freedom or gliding through the skies in futuristic comfort, the age of the hoverbike is no longer a fantasy. It's just beginning to take flight.